Asparagus might just be the most underrated vegetable sitting in your fridge. It's low in calories, loaded with nutrients, and linked to some impressive health benefits. But it also comes with a few surprising side effects you should know about. Let's get right into it. Nutritional powerhouse. Asparagus is packed with vitamins A, C, E, and K, along with folate, fiber, and potassium, while being extremely low in calories. A single cup contains only about 20 calories, making it one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables you can add to your plate. It also provides a small amount of protein and healthy plant compounds, which is uncommon for a typical vegetable, and makes it a smart choice for anyone watching their diet or trying to eat cleaner overall. Supports digestive health. Thanks to its high fiber content, asparagus helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. It contains inulin, a type of prebiotic fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut, improving overall gut health and reducing bloating over time. This can also support more regular bowel movements and a healthier gut microbiome overall. Rich in antioxidants, asparagus contains powerful antioxidants like glutathione and flavonoids, which help fight oxidative stress in the body. These compounds may reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases, including certain types of cancer, when included as part of a balanced diet. Regularly eating antioxidant-rich foods like this can also support healthier skin and slower cellular aging. May support heart health. The fiber, folate, and potassium found in asparagus work together to support healthy blood pressure and reduce harmful cholesterol levels. Regular consumption may contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system over the long run, especially when paired with a diet low in processed foods and added sugars. Supports healthy pregnancy. Asparagus is an excellent source of folate, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in fetal development, particularly in preventing neural tube defects. This makes it a smart addition to the diet for expecting mothers, alongside other folate-rich foods like leafy greens and legumes. Possible side effects. While asparagus is safe for most people, it can cause a distinct odor in urine due to a sulfur compound called asparagusic acid, which is completely harmless. In rare cases, it may trigger allergic reactions or mild digestive discomfort like gas and bloating if eaten in large amounts. It can also interact with certain blood-thinning medications because of its vitamin K content. So people on such medication should consult a doctor before adding large amounts to their diet. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, don't skip the asparagus. It's cheap, versatile, and genuinely good for you from root to tip. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips like this one. See you in the next video.